Good morning, Eileen Sharon here. I'm going to take you through tubing progression. I'm not going to do as many reps as I would normally do, but I'm going to get through as many exercises as I possibly can in 5 minutes. So I'm going to start off with a row. Now, if you notice, I have the handles, and then I'm wrapping it up a couple times, and I'm starting at about the knee, and I'm going to go to the waistline. I'm using spry tubing today. I love this tubing. It's braided. It's break resistant or almost impossible to break. So I'm going to go through these exercises and just quickly cue on proper form. So notice my feet are together. They're locked together so that that tubing, even if you've got flat shoes or pointing backwards, won't whack you in the face. So this row is fantastic. If you lean back or lift your leg, keeping them together, you're going to work core. So there's a couple of options for you. I'm going to flip it over and do triceps. You can anchor one and make one side looser for triceps. I see somebody's on, but I can't see it. Make a comment, and I will be happy to respond after I'm done. I can't see that well. All right, so kickbacks, you can do one. Chest up, make sure that you start at the waist and go full extension. You could do both, and if it's too tight, you can pull your knees in and push back that way. Then I'm going to open up my legs. Not very pretty, but abduction's a great one. If you lean back, you're going to get more core again because you're resisting with the abdominals. You can put your hands together to make it harder. You can go on one side to kill those abductors. So I'm just going to do a few more. You can also do them in the air, which is another great core exercise. So you could do taps. You can do both together. I call that my cha-ching move. I know, cha-ching. You can also do, if you grip, hip rotation. Hi guys, good morning. I'm glad you can join me. I hope you have your tubing. So you're going to rotate through the hip joint. This is phenomenal for core and pelvic strength. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the tubing away. Notice my toe is pointing away. You can either put the tube under or hold on to it, and we're going to do pectoralis. I'm going to put it under because that's what I like to do. Anchor on the floor. Pectoralis. You can go low, medium, or high, depending on that foot, making sure that foot doesn't rotate. So let's do a couple pecs. The arm is long. If you bend the arm too much, it's going to be biceps. So long arm. I'm going to go ahead and take this out, and you can do back of the shoulder. I call these sword pulls from the belly button, again, straighter arm to the back. Focus on a pull of the chest. This also takes a lot of stability in the core to pull that arm out. Not an easy one. And then you can also do rotators in this position. So I'm basically doing everything from one anchor today. Now I have hundreds and hundreds of progressions. So hopefully you'll catch some of my other stuff. And then hold the elbow in and push out. That is a shoulder stabilizer. Armpit tight. Reach out and squeeze the armpit. Reach out and squeeze. Then I'm going to go ahead and turn, still on one foot, anchor the feet together. Remember, that's a huge cue. Place the tubing on your chest, and you can do full roll downs all the way up, and it's assisting the up. So resisting a little bit, helping on the down, and helping on the up. If you don't want any assistance, you can resist on the down, hold on, help even more, or you can let go on the down and just use your own body strength. So there's so many ways to do this. And then I'm going to take it into Teeter-Totters, which is a great abdominal exercise. It is an advanced level. All I'm doing is tapping my feet and my back. And every time I do, my butt is squeezing tight. I'm contracting my abdominals, making sure everything is working. Arms are locked into armpit mode, so I'm not using my arms. Now I'm going to go ahead and lay down. I love biceps on my back because it secures you. It makes you feel really tall in your posture, and you could push the elbows in to get full range, which is phenomenal. You can do lateral raises. Another great one to do. If the intensity is too high, you can pull the feet in. So there's always a way to make things easier and harder, of course. And then I'm going to do feet together again, locked together, all the way in. I'm going to scooch down, is an overhead press. But notice my feet aren't here because then it's going to be a weird torque on the elbow. So it's an overhead press. You could add some core work there. Overhead press, extension, overhead press, extension. You could also do rotators here, but we're going to stay with the overhead reach and the push. Remember, if you're not that strong and can't get your legs out, you could always do it on an angle. But because you've got that tubing there and you're holding with your arms, most people can take that extension. Then from here, I'm going to take it up in an L. Feet are still together. Grab it anywhere you want. I like to grab the outside of the handle, back of the shoulders. This is a fantastic way to strengthen the back. And I've got to end, because I'm a little over time, triceps, elbows on the floor. I hope you enjoyed this quick progression. Make sure you can do as many reps as you want to fatigue. You can do repetitions of 2 or 3 of those exercises. You don't have to do the whole progression. I hope you have a great day. Catch me on Wednesday, and I'll see you next time.